All right, chapter 1 test review. We're going to go over 9, 10, and 11 in this video. Okay, number 9, the distance around the outside of Cedar Park is 0.8 miles. Joni ran 0.25 of the distance during her lunch break. How far did she run? Okay, so this of the distance of tells you you're going to be multiplying. Okay, that's a key word. That word of, you're usually going to be multiplying. So in this case, we are multiplying, and the two numbers we have to multiply are 0.8 and 0.25. So I'm going to put 0.25 on top, but of course it doesn't matter. When you're multiplying decimals, you don't need to line the decimals up. Okay, so 0.8. All right, now I do need to notice though there's two numbers behind the decimal in 0.25, so two numbers behind the decimal here, and 0.8, I have one number behind the decimal here for a total of 3, and that's going to tell me how many places I need to move my decimal once I'm finished. Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Okay, and then I move my decimal over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is going to be 0.2. And I can drop off the two zeros behind them, or I can add them if I want. It doesn't change the value of the number. So this is all my work though. So again, make sure you include your work in your answer. Okay, going on to number 10. A one-celled organism measures 32 millimeters in length in a photograph. If the photo has been enlarged by a factor of 100, what is the actual length of the organism? So we made it bigger, so we need to go backwards and make it smaller again. So we're going to take 100, how much it was enlarged by, and the length that it was after being enlarged, 32, and we're going to divide. Okay, I can add a decimal behind and add a 0. So now 100 can go into 320 3 times. 3 times 100 is 300. Subtract gives me 20. I can add another 0, bring it down. And 100 goes into 200 2 times. So my answer is 0.32 millimeters. And there's my work. All right, let's go on to number 11. Oh, I should probably finish this all out. 2 times 100 is 200. Subtract gives me 0. Okay. You can buy 5 t-shirts at Baxter's for the same price you can buy 4 t-shirts at Bixby's. If one t-shirt costs $11.80 at Bixby's, how much does one shirt cost at Baxter's? Okay, so first let's find out how much the 4 t-shirts cost at Bixby's. So I'm going to take $11.80 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 1 is 4. Oh, excuse me, plus the 3. 7. 4 times 1 is 4. Add my decimal. 2 places over, none there, so 2. So 47.20 for the 4 shirts at Bixby's. Okay. Now you can get 5 shirts for the exact same price. 47.20. You can get 5 shirts at Baxter's. So I'm going to take that 47.20, and this time I'm going to divide it by 5 though, because I could get 4 shirts for 47.20 and I know they're $11.80, but I want to find out how much one shirt is. So I can get 5 shirts for 47.20. If I divide this, that will tell me how much one shirt costs. Okay, so 5 goes into 47 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract gives me 2. Bring down my 2. 5 goes into 22. Oh, and bring my decimal straight up. 5 goes into 22 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. subtract gives me 2, and bring down that 2. 5 goes into 24 times. So, 1 t-shirt at Baxter's costs $9.44. All right. And all that math is this would be my work that I'm showing you my work with. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.